Medical malpractice isn't just a legal issue, it's a patient safety issue, a financial issue, and right now, a crisis in the making. If you're a physician, what happens in the courtroom and insurance markets directly affect how you can practice medicine. Here's what you need to know. Hi, my name is Deni Avidja. I'm a researcher for the Insurance Institute for Medical Safety, and here is everything that you need to know straight from our lab. Believe it or not, we've been in this same exact scenario before. In the early 2000s, a full medical malpractice insurance crisis hit. Premiums jumped over 74% in just 5 years following the 9/11 attacks in New York City. Insurers got strict, hospitals scrambled. High-risk specialties like OB and neurosurgery were hit harder than ever before. But then, something interesting happened. Markets calmed down by 2005. Between the years of 2006 and 2017, insurance premiums dropped by 21%. But then, another wave happened. A pandemic creates the perfect storm for liability. Severely ill patients, standards of care changing from week to week, hospitals pushed past capacity, staff working under impossible stress, difficult decisions about scarce resources and who to use them on, all created a firestorm for medical malpractice. Some systems sought legal immunity through legislation, executive orders, or patient waivers. But here's the truth. Immunity is a short-term fix. Most, if not all states, had already passed medical malpractice reforms many years ago. Unfortunately, due to a changing medical system, you cannot purely count on legal protection alone. Rising insurance premiums and an unstable insurance market can lead to you not being properly covered or being covered under the wrong terms. So what does work? In 2002, the University of Michigan's health system tried something completely different. Instead of waiting for complaints to become lawsuits, they responded early and quickly and openly to bad outcomes made by doctors at the health system. What was the results? Fewer lawsuits, faster solutions, a major drop in costly settlements. But let's be real here. You don't have to enact a whole new system in the hospital that you work in. All you need to do is enact a new system in your brain. The commitments are simple. Be honest with the patient about what happened on your operating table. Fix the systems that caused the error. Support the patient, the family, and your team. Offer fair resolution when care came through short. Tell patients that they have a right to a lawyer. All this clears your medical liability and sets you up for future success. From a legal standpoint, your strongest protection isn't immunity, it's communication. Communication with the family, communication with the patient, and communication with your team. When you explain uncertainty clearly before a patient's treatment, what's being deferred, what the risks are, what you don't yet know, and what you do definitively know, you're meeting your informed consent obligations, and you're cutting off the expectations that a patient has when they file a lawsuit. When outcomes are poor, transparency and compassion aren't just ethics, they're your legal defense. Patients don't sue doctors they don't trust. Patients don't sue doctors who are willing to communicate with them from day one. The landscape is shifting. Insurance markets may tighten, legal immunity won't last. But physicians who communicate clearly, act with transparency, and treat patients as partners, they are the ones best protected for whatever comes next, for whenever that next wave hits. My name is Dr. Deni Avidja. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you have an amazing day. And now, let's get to a quick quiz. In 2002, the University of Michigan's health system tried something different. What was it? Go ahead and talk to your fellow doctors and come up with an answer together. Is your answer right? Check the video again. Here are some commitments that you can make without changing anything in your current hospital system. Remember, you can now talk to other doctors around you. Is your answer correct? Remember, check the video again. True or false? Patients always sue doctors they trust. I hope you get this one. Correct. The answer is false. Once again, my name is Dr. Deni Avidja. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day.